My dear aspirants, welcome to DSC Biology 22nd part. Bending towards light occurs in stems due to which of the following phytohormones? Auxins. Read the statements and choose the correct one. Mimosa pudica plant leaves become folded when we touch its leaves. Pollen tubule grows towards ovule. The first one is nastic movement and the second one is tropic movement. That is, the folding of leaves of Mimosa pudica is a nastic movement, and the growth of pollen tubule towards ovule is a trophic movement. Read the statements and choose the correct one. Roots grow towards earth, that is geotrophism. Stem grows towards light, that is phototrophism. So both 1 and 2 are trophic movements. If the direction of movement is determined by the direction of stimulus, then it is called tropic movement. Which of the following represents phototrophism? That is, a stem growing towards light. Which of the following are also known as growth substances? Plant hormones. Read the statements and choose the correct one. Tendrils grow towards support. Mimosa pudica plant leaves become folded when we touch its leaves. First one is tropic movement, second one is nastic movement. Tendrils growing towards support comes under thigmotrophism, so it is a trophic movement, and folding of Mimosa pudica plant leaves is the best example of nastic movements. Who was the first scientist conducted experiments on plants phototrophism for the first time? That is Charles Darwin. The first phytohormone discovered by scientists is auxins. Which of the following represents chemotrophism? Pollen tube growing towards ovule. Which of the following represents thigmotrophism? Tendrils growing towards support. Which of the following represents hydrotrophism? That is roots growing towards water source in soil. If the direction of movement is not determined by the direction of stimulus, then it is called a nastic movement. Which of the following represents geotrophism? That is roots growing towards soil. Who was the scientist conducted experiments on plants to prove the role of internal factors that influence plants' growth? That is F.W. Went, Charles Darwin, Francis. All the above is the answer. Which of the following scientists used agar-agar blocks in their experiments to prove the internal factors that influence plant growth? F.W. Went. Coleoptile belongs to which of the following parts of a plant? That is stem. The scientist who discovered auxins is F.W. Went. F.W. Went. Tendrils are found in which of the following plants? Answer is cucumber. Who was the scientist conducted experiments on oat seedlings to prove the internal influence on plants' growth? That is again F.W. Went. Thank you very much.